Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a class in Google Classroom. But notice we have Google Classroom right here on our mobile device. Yes, so we're going to create a classroom right here. And most of you might do it on the desktop, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the mobile. Right, first thing you wanted to do is to click on it. Notice when you click on it right here, you see two classes already exist up here. But if you notice right down here, you see the plus. What you wanted to do is to click on the plus. Now, when you click on the plus, it says create class, it says join class. But what you want to focus on is to create a class. Notice when I click on the word create, if you notice up the top, you have the X, it says create class. Right here, you have a three look at that. When you click on three look at that, it says send to Google feedback. So right here, you have class name, and here you have section, room, and subject. So, right, the class, I'm going to put computer right here. Yes, I'm going to put computer skill. Now add that right there. So right here, I have a section, that's a section. So we're going to say section A right here. And then I'm going to put here room. It's a room 6 right here. Right here, the subject category, Word document. Right, so that's what you actually read right here. Word right here. Right, and put in document. You notice as soon as you do that, and look up at the top, you notice you see the word create, come right here in blue. So what you wanted to do is to click on it. Now when you click on it, if you notice it started the process. So remember, this is the mobile device. Notice it started the process. When it finish, you see exactly how the class look like. Right? If you notice right up here now, you sure that the class is complete. Now this is what you have in the class. Right here, it says share something with the class. Right, so if you come right here and you click, you can actually share something with the class right here. You can also add an attachment. You can also get the post right here. Just as possible right here. You can come right here, so you can also click and go back. If you notice down at the bottom, you have the stream page. Right over here, you have the classwork page right here. But if you notice this plus right here, click. It's assignment, question, material. You can also repost and right here, and notice you see people right here, we can actually add a student or teacher to the class. So very important. So this is how you actually create a Google Classroom right here on your mobile device. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.